So I know a lot of you guys may have questions on how to do the Flipgrid video. That is right here on our link. I'm sorry, on our flyer. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Um, as you know, it says there's a code right here, flipgrid.com/Garcia1793. So all you would need to do is open up your web browser and go www.flipgrid.com slash your code Garcia 1793. Okay. Um, that will bring you, sorry, let me go ahead and do this. That will bring you to this page right here. Now, this is the Flipgrid portal, and here is your topics or for your virtual spirit week. So here, if you click right here, they're all the ones for the week. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Monday, and it has a little description of what you're gonna be doing. So you go into this page right here, and it says, "We are all in this together. Take a picture of yourself wearing all the colors of the rainbow, and don't forget to share it on our Facebook page and our Twitter page." So here you want to go ahead and click the green upload button. That's going to prompt you to this page right here. All you need is a Google account. So mine's already logged into Google. I'm going to go ahead and press Google. Click on the one that I want to use, and it'll take you right to the recording. Now let me show you how you can record. So here it's just when I want to start recording, I can go ahead and click on this button right here. Just gonna show you some of the features. So you can add, let's say I wanted to add, I didn't want anybody to see my face, which we do want to see your faces, so hopefully you don't choose that one. A black and white. Any filters here that you want to do, I'll keep the black and white. If you want to write in some text, you can go ahead and click on the text, the color that you want, and then you can begin typing. You can begin typing. We are all in this together. And then I can move. Okay. Then I can move this wherever I want. And I spelled this wrong because I couldn't see. And I could put it anywhere I want here. Now, if you also want to put some stickers, I know that the kids love this one. They have all the emojis. And I go ahead and put an emoji that I want up here. And I can do that. I could also create a drawing if I wanted to draw anything here, and or a photo sticker. So I'm going to begin my recording. I'm going to go ahead and start. So you say, "Hi, we're all in this together, rainbow." So I have my rainbow here. Then you go ahead and press the pause button if you want to pause, and then you can keep recording. As you go through the recording, you can use these and change them. So let's say I'm recording again. I can continue drawing. Let's say I want to continue drawing, and it'll come out of my video. Then I pause it, and then I can add another emoji if I wanted to, and then add it there, and then it will be in my recording when I'm recording. So I am done there, and then let me go ahead and do this. I go to next. So you say, "Hi, we're all in this together, rainbow," and so pause it, and then I can add another emoji if I wanted to. I don't know why the video looks like that. And add another my computer. But then you go ahead and click next. You take a selfie. Next. It'll prepare your video. We're just waiting on that. And then once it's done, it will prompt you to put your name, title, and a link if you want, and submit your video. And that's how you do it, guys. So if you have any questions, please feel free to tweet me at beggars1214, email me rmcantu@laredoisd.org, or anything like that. Thank you. Bye bye.